What's up guys, welcome to another episode of our Blokees build, and again this is still the same box that we have because we got a couple of them already purchased from a local seller, and as we can see we already built one of them, and that is Rumble. And the next one that we are going to build, it's gonna be out of the box as well because it was already purchased, and as we all know we don't see any cards on this box that we have, this one. So let's go ahead and open it. And by the way, this is Blitzwing here. So Blitzwing. So later, let's discuss about who is Blitzwing and what is his role, and what is his job as a Decepticon. So we got all of his parts already there. Let's go ahead and build it. So let's go. Alright, so we got already the Blitzwing here on my hand, and he's already fully built. So let's go with his brief history and his background as a Decepticon. So basically Blitzwing is a prominent Decepticon character in the Transformer franchise. As you can see, there's his Decepticon logo here in his chest. And he is most famous for being a triple changer. So triple changer means he can transform from his robot mode, he can transform into a jet, and he has a tank version as well. So he is not the only one that is a triple changer. There are other characters in Transformers that can do triple transformation. Anyways, here is Blitzwing, our latest build for today. So, and by the way guys, we got a couple of more videos that we would not be opening this box that we have here, the Defender version for Tyrant's Fury, because you still have like two more characters that we purchased from a local seller. But anyways, I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can visit our Facebook page, Ybrik Builds. And that's it for today, and see you guys next time. Peace.